Namaste, Dr. Charu at Yoga Heals. Thank you so much for being with me and watching. Today we are going to address a very important issue right now, which is anxiety. All of us get anxious at times. The times are such, we can't help it, but we cannot control the situation, but we can definitely incorporate some practices in our lives to deal with the anxiety better. And today we are going to practice 2 asanas and 1 pranayama. So if you have just 5 minutes, if you are able to find even 5 minutes for yourself, we can practice this quick flow and learn to deal with anxiety better, and maybe try to be calmer despite whatever is happening around us. So we will be practicing Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose. There is already a video on Yoga Heals about how to practice bridge pose. You can refer to that as well. We will then be going into child's pose, Balasana, and then we will practice alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhan Pranayama, for calming the mind. So let's get started with Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose. Turning to one side, we will lie down on the back. Bring the feet closer to the hips, palms down on the mat. Inhale and lift your back and hips as high as you can, pushing the weight down through the feet, and stay here for a few breaths. Exhale, come down. And you can repeat this. So few times you can go up inhaling, pressing the weight down through the feet, pulling the shoulders behind, chin away from the chest. And while exhaling, you can come down. You can stay in the pose for as long as you are comfortable. And now we will practice child's pose. So we will turn, come on our palms and knees. And then taking the knees towards the edge of the mat, we'll push our hips to the heels, walk the palms to the front of the mat and rest the forehead down. Relax the arms, relax the shoulders, relax the chest, let everything fall down towards the mat, letting gravity do its work. When you are here, just observe your breath. Completely let go of everything. Just connect with your breath. Now, if this feels too intense, you can always avoid taking the knees towards the edge of the mat. So what I mean is, by going into child's pose, you can keep your knees under the hips and simply bring the hips back. This is also good for anxiety. This is also Balasana. The spreading of the knees is just to get a deeper stretch in the hips and relax. Slowly, while inhaling, come up. And now we will practice alternate nostril breathing. So for alternate nostril breathing, and you can definitely refer to the video on Yoga Heals for alternate nostril breathing. Otherwise, sit with your palms on your thighs. You can sit in Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana, or any asana that you like. Palms on thighs, and then take the mudra with the right hand by bending the first 2 fingers. Eyes closed. Inhale from the left and exhale completely from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale from the right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. You can practice this for as long as you can comfortably, and then just sit with your eyes closed, feeling the sense of calm, thanking yourself for taking out time for the practice, and promising to yourself to keep the same sense of calm through the rest of your day and through your sleep. And then gently rub your palms together, cup your eyes, feeling the warmth. Slowly blink your eyes and take your palms away from your face. Thank you. Stay calm. Don't worry about whatever is happening. Just stay put. Happy to answer all questions. Feel free to message me for any classes. Thank you.